Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, the grade 12s, those who are going to write the exam, which is going to be very simple for this year 2020. Okay, now in this session, we're going to look at excretion. Okay, yeah, we're going to look at excretion, and under excretion, we're going to look at specific outcomes, which is we have to know what is excretion, and also we have to understand the excretory organs. Okay, we have also to understand the excretory products in and also we can look at the importance of excretion. Now, excretion takes place in both plants and animal, and this excretion which we are talking about is found in both uh, plants and animal, as I said, and it's one of the characteristics of living organisms. By the way, my name is Mr. Pine. Okay, so I think we are ready. We can start. What is excretion? Well, that is a sensitive question. Now, excretion, this is a process by which living organisms separate or remove toxic metabolic products from their body. Okay, we are saying this is just a process where living organisms remove toxic or separate toxic or remove toxic from their body. Why removing this toxic substance? Because when this toxic substance is not removed and it accumulates, other way it becomes more or in excess, then it becomes poison and can affect the body, the normal function of the body. Okay, so it should be removed. Now, the process of removing this waste product is what we call excretion. Now, apart from understanding excretion, there are a number of organs that plays a role in excreting excretory products. Okay, these organs are, we have skin, lungs, liver, and kidney. There are four: skin, lungs, liver, and kidney. These are four organs that plays a role in excreting toxic substance from the body, and we call them excretory organs. Okay, so if you were asked a question like, what is excretory organs? So you say these are organs that plays a role in excretion. Okay, now what does each of these organs excrete? We'll start with the skin. The skin, as we know, if it's hot, if the weather is hot, you find that you are sweating. Now, that sweat, the sweat is made up of different substance. There is water, salt, and a few amount of urea. Okay, so the skin moves the sweat, which is composed of water, salt, and a few amount of urea. Then the second one is the lungs. Lungs. This, we know that it's a part of the body, which is also the part of circulatory system. It's found in our chests, inside our chest, in fact. Yeah, inside our chest. It's covered by our chest, in short, or protected by our chest. Now, these lungs, it's the one which is involved in gaseous exchange. So, which means now we're going to guess if we know that it involves with gaseous exchange. So, which means we are going to talk about it should deal with gases. So, therefore, the lungs moves the carbon dioxide from the body and water vapor. Now, as we know, we breathe in oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide. So, since we breathe out carbon dioxide, so that carbon dioxide is not needed in our body, therefore it should be what removed. So the one now which removes that carbon dioxide is what we call what lungs. Therefore lungs are excretory organs. They excrete what carbon dioxide and water vapor. Then we have a liver, which is the most important part in the body when it comes to different functions that help the body to perform their normal function. We have bowel pigment. So the liver excrete bowel pigments. Okay, yes, bowel pigments. As we know, there's bowel pigments and there's also bowel salts. Now, okay, then we have kidney. This kidney is the one now which deals with the urea, where the formation of urea takes place. Now, kidney removes what we call nitrogenous waste, which means waste with nitrogen, or a compound contain nitrogen, which is, for example, urea. We know that urea contains nitrogen. So urea and uric acid, water, salt, hormones, drugs, and toxic, these substances are removed by kidney. Now, this which we have talked about, the substance which is being removed by these organs, are called excretory product. Okay, excretory product. So we have nitrogenous waste as an excretory product. We have bowel pigment, carbon dioxide, and water, salt, and urea, which is waste, sweat. As for today, we are going to end here. Okay, next time we'll look at the importance of excretion in animals. Okay, now let's revise. We said the first question was, what is excretion? We say excretion, this is the removal, this is the process by which toxic substances are removed from the body, or the process by which living organisms separate or remove the toxic metabolic products from the body. Then second, we looked at the excretory organs. What are these organs which are involved in this removing of these toxic metabolic products? Kidney, liver, lungs, and skin. 4 excretory organs. Then what are the excretory products which are removed by these excretory organs? We have nitrogenous waste, bowel pigment, carbon dioxide and water vapor, and sweat. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you next time.